What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today we're going to be taking a look at Procase's case for the brand new Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Now I will be putting links in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself, and if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at the case itself. The cover does have like a nice soft fabric-y feel to it. The case is also a one-piece design. It doesn't fold back on itself like a smart cover would. On the inside, it does have a nice, smooth, leathery feel to it. The inner portion of the case is a nice, soft, flexible, rubbery material, and it also has a spot for your smart pen, which is nice. It's got a couple magnets on the edge here to help keep the cover closed. And if we look at the back here, it's got that nice soft fabric-y material as well. There's also another cutout in case you want to put the pen on the back, and then you have your cutouts for your camera. So let's go ahead and put our tablet inside. All you need to do is simply just press it into place. And we're in just like that. And there we go, we are all set. Now, just to let you know also, I do have a tempered glass screen protector on here, and it does come right up to the edge of the case, but it doesn't interfere with the tempered glass screen protector, so you should be good, but it might not fit with all tempered glass screen protectors. The one in particular I'm using here is made by Whitestone Dome, just in case you were wondering. And then here we have our S Pen, and you can simply just put it inside this little piece here and then press it into place. Now the case also does act as a stand. As you can see, we have two grooves here for the adjustment. All you need to do is kind of lift up on the tablet just like that and then put it into one of those grooves. And now you have it into landscape mode, so you can maybe watch a movie or some YouTube or something like that. Again, you have two adjustments there. Now if you're also wondering if this cover does act as a smart cover would when you open up the tablet cover, does your tablet turn on? Yes, it does. So let's take a look around here. Now we have our tablet inside. As you can see, we have a little cutout for your mic. We have our volume buttons that are clicky. We have our power button. On the top, we have the cutouts for the speakers. And on the bottom, we have our cutout for our little charging port and the two speakers there as well. It does feel really solid, feels very good, nice and soft. Again, there's that little cutout for your S Pen in case you want to put it on the outside. Now another thing I'm sure you're probably asking is, how do I get the S Pen out of there because it's in that little groove? Well, if you lift up your tablet, as you can see, there's two little spots cut out, so you can easily just take your finger, pop up your S Pen, and then easily take it out. And then when it needs to be charged, you can simply just take your S Pen and put it into the little slot there, and you're all set. The cover also does fold back on itself in case you want it out of the way while you're using your tablet. The case also fits on the Galaxy Tab perfectly, and it holds it in place. You don't have to worry about your Galaxy Tab popping off. And if you want to take the case off, all you need to do is simply pull back one of the edges and then work it off from there. So this is definitely a really nice case for your Galaxy Tab, especially if you don't want to spend the $100 that Samsung is offering. And again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.